Welcome to a new era of traffic management. In partnership with the University of Sharjah, GIS Drones is assisting in groundbreaking research. Our collected traffic monitoring videos are at the forefront of research studies, from operations to safety. Let's explore the future together. Together with the University of Sharjah, we're unleashing innovation in traffic management, bringing fresh perspectives and cutting-edge solutions to the forefront. GIS Drones has captured invaluable traffic data, a game-changer for various studies providing insights that matter for smarter and safer roads. Strategic insights from our collaboration are reshaping traffic operations, optimizing efficiency, and ensuring a smoother flow for every journey. Safety is our priority. Through pioneering research, we're driving advancements that promise safer roads and a more secure travel experience for everyone. Join us on the journey towards smart cities. Our shared vision with the University of Sharjah is propelling us into a future where innovative traffic solutions redefine urban landscapes. Together, we drive progress,